So as y'all know, I've been in my knitting era and I'm getting a ton of comments. It's like, can you teach me how to knit? Can you teach me how to knit? Girl, we don't know how to knit. You making knitting content and we can't knit. So here it is. Here's me teaching you how to knit. Now, I don't know if this is how to knit, but this is just how I do it. I start with a slip knot. So first, I go into that stitch. I wrap my yarn over. I pull it through that stitch. And then I put it back on top, the left one. And that's how I cast on, guys. I don't really see a lot of people cast on like this. So I don't know what this is called. I don't know what method this is. Please do not ask me because I do not know. But this is how I do it. This is how my grandma taught me how to do it. And she was more of an English knitter than a continental knitter. So maybe this is an English knitting thing. I really do not know. But this is just how I do it. Okay, so to get to your first row, all you do is literally do the same thing, but you take the stitch off from the left. So you go through, you yarn over, pull it through, then take that stitch off from the left hook, boom, just like that. And we're knitting. So if you're not knitting in a round, which we are not for right now because we're doing a swatch, you want to do one knit row and then one purl row. So for our purl row, you're going to knit the first stitch, then take your working yarn and flip it over to the middle. Take your right needle and push it down into the stitch on the left hook. Wrap your yarn over and pull it through. Then take it off. Let's do that again. You put it down into the stitch. Wrap your yarn over, pull it through the stitch, take it off. And you just keep repeating that for the entire row. Okay, so now that your purl row is finished, you're gonna go back to your knit row. Push your needle in from the bottom up, wrap your yarn over, and knit. Knit row's done. Now we're gonna go to a purl row once again. You knit your first stitch. Bring the yarn from the back to the front in the middle. Go from the top to the bottom. Yarn over, yarn through, take it off. And that's my little short knitting tutorial.